our 2-burner and griddle oven range combo. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 36 inches. We have a depth 30¼ inches. 30¼ inches applies from the front towards the backsplash of the oven range. And the overall height, we have 57 inches tall. 57 inches applies towards the bottom to the top of the splash of the oven range. Minus the splash, we have 40 inches. 40 inches is from the bottom towards the top of the griddle. Coming to the left are 2 burners, and to the right is your 1-inch thick griddle. Measurements for the griddle itself will include 23¾ inches in length by 20½ inches in depth. Located on the top of the griddle is a backsplash along with the carriage or a shelf. Thickness of the shelf will include 9½ inches in depth. Right beneath the griddle is an area where the axes and debris will fall onto this waste tray. Measurements for the waste tray will include 6¼ inches in length and a depth of 17½ inches. 17½ inches depth is towards the top to the bottom of the waste tray before the handle. Waste tray can be removed and inserted back onto the compartment right beneath the griddle. The waste area beneath the griddle will measure 4 inches in depth. Coming to the left will also be a separate waste tray for the 2 burners. Measurements for this waste tray will include 9¾ inches in length by 25¼ inches in depth. 25¼ inches is from the top towards the bottom of the tray before the handle. Waste tray can be removed and inserted back onto the area right beneath the 2 burners. Measurements for each burner will include 12 inches in length by 12 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 2 burners on top. Coming to the front center are your 5 separate gauges or temperature control to operate the griddle, burner, and oven range beneath. Included will be 2 shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the first, middle, and lowest column. Right now the shelves are currently adjusted to the top and lowest column. Measurements for each shelf will include 26 inches in length by 20½ inches in depth. Interior height of the oven range, we have 14 inches tall. Coming to the back left column is the black pipe to connect your gas to run and operate this oven range. Gas regulator along with the propane conversion kit will be included with this oven range. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.